What's up, guys? Back with 4 packs of Furious Fists, so let's just go ahead and dig in. Let's get focus here. Okay, that was not focused. There you go. Mindfu, Bellsprout, Scraggy, Drowsy, Makuhita, Poliwhirl, Vigoroth, Super Scoop Up, Machop Reverse Holo Common, and we got a Noivern Holo Rare. So that's pretty cool. It's a pretty good effect. Alright, let's go on to the next pack. We got Plusle, Mindfu, Bellsprout, Scraggy, Drowsy, Sail Fossil, Karina, Poliwhirl, Sail Fossil, and Glaceon. Sail Fossil is an uncommon, so I guess that's cool. Third pack. Lickitung, Bellsprout, Drowsy, Scorpy, Eevee, Battle Reporter, Buskin, Licky, Slackoth Reverse Holo Common, and Tornadus. Okay, final pack. Oh, I'm so sick. Plusle, Pikachu, Slackoth, Cubchoo, Petrat, Maintenance, Vibrava, Dedenne, that's a good one, Poliwag Reverse Holo Common, and Gothitelle. Okay, so not much here. We did get the Noivern, so I'll show that again. And I appreciate you guys watching.